If you're tackling DIY projects, home repairs, or full-blown renovations, an oscillating multi-tool can handle everything. This little gadget cuts, sands, scrapes, and grinds through just about anything, which makes it a must-have in any toolbox. But with so many options on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best oscillating multi-tools. Whether you're looking for precision, power, or pure versatility, these are the only ones worth your time and money. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Ryobi One HP brushless multi-tool. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. It has a brushless motor for better efficiency, longer life, and more power. Plus, with a 3.6-degree oscillation angle, it cuts up to 30% faster than older models. It also comes with tool-free blade changes, so swapping accessories is quick and painless. And it's compatible with standard multi-tool accessories, which means you won't have to find special blades just for this model. Now, speed-wise, it goes from 10,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute with 6-speed settings. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or removing grout, you can dial in exactly what you need. One thing I really like about this tool is its compact head. If you've ever tried to work in tight spaces like under sinks or inside cabinets, you know how frustrating it can be. So it's specifically designed to fit into those tricky spots without a struggle. And for comfort, it's also lightweight, weighing just 1.9 pounds without a battery. So your hand won't feel like it's been through a workout after a long project. Overall, if you need a reliable multi-tool for DIY jobs without overspending, the Ryobi One HP is a solid pick. Number 5 is the Flex Multi-Tool Kit. This one has the best cutting power on our list. It chews through materials with up to 20,000 oscillations per minute. Whether you're slicing through wood, metal, or drywall, this multi-tool gets it done smoothly and efficiently. This kit comes with a 2.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and a 160-watt fast charger. That means 25% longer runtime and up to 50% faster charging, so you spend less time waiting and more time getting stuff done. One of my favorite features is the vibration suppression. A lot of multi-tools shake like crazy, but this one is built to isolate vibration so your hands don't go numb after a few minutes of use. The 3D Starlock connection is another huge plus. It maximizes power transfer from the motor to the blade, which makes every cut more precise and powerful. And swapping blades is also super easy with the keyless eject system. You don't even have to touch a hot blade, just pop it out and snap in a new one. And if you're working in a dim space, the built-in LED light keeps everything well lit. One user wrote, "I recently got on the Flex bandwagon, and I'm impressed with the power and ergonomics with this tool. The battery lasts forever, and it is just as powerful as any corded model. The price might be a little steep, but you get what you pay for." Overall, it's powerful, smooth, and built for pros and serious DIYers alike. If you want a tool with the best cutting power, this one's worth a look. Number 4 is the DeWalt Oscillating Tool Kit. This option is the best for most people on our list. It comes with a brushless motor, which means better efficiency, and up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed models. It has a 3-speed selector that lets you control how fast or slow you go, depending on the job. One thing I really like is the dual grip variable speed trigger. You don't just have to set a speed and hope for the best. You can actually control it as you work, which makes precision cuts way easier. Plus, swapping blades is quick and tool-free, so no fumbling around with wrenches when you're in the middle of a job. As Bobby puts it, really love this multi-tool. Well-balanced, lightweight, and comfortable. Plenty of power, and the variable trigger is a must. Also, changing the blades is super quick and easy. It's by far the best multi-tool I've ever used. The built-in LED light gives you that extra visibility, so you're not cutting blind. And since it comes with a universal accessory adapter, you're not locked into DeWalt's brand. You can also use most of the other oscillating tool accessories. The only downside is that it doesn't support Starlock blades, so if you're used to those, just keep that in mind. But overall, this is one of those tools you don't realize you need until you have it. From cutting floorboards to trimming drywall, it's an absolute workhorse. And if you want to know the latest prices for the oscillating multi-tools discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Fein Multimaster MM 500 Start Kit. This is the best corded option on our list. If you need serious cutting power for renovations or interior construction, this thing delivers. It has a 350-watt motor, which means you're getting high cutting speeds and steady performance, even on tough materials. This kit comes with a rugged storage case, 12 sanding sheets, 3 different saw blades, and a backing pad. Everything stays organized, and the case itself is built tough. Perfect for tossing in a work van without worrying about damage. Now, if you've ever used a multi-tool that vibrates so much your hands go numb, you'll appreciate Fein's anti-vibration design. Also, its self-supporting motor helps reduce both noise and hand fatigue so you can work comfortably for longer. It also comes with the StarLock Plus tool mount, which lets you swap accessories fast and securely. Plus, the quick and rapid clamping system makes accessory changes effortless, taking under 3 seconds. Overall, the MM500 is a great corded option that balances power, precision, and convenience. Number 2 is the Black+Decker Oscillating Multi Tool. This is the best value for money option on our list. It comes with a 2.5 amp motor, which gives you enough power to handle different materials, from wood to metal. It also features a variable speed dial that lets you adjust between 10,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, so you can fine-tune it depending on the job. And I also like that it has the tool-free release system. Instead of messing around with a hex key, you just use the quick release lever to swap out attachments. It's convenient if you're switching between sanding and cutting on the fly. Speaking of sanding, it comes with a sanding base and 12 sandpaper sheets right out of the box. You also get a wooden metal blade and an accessory adapter, so it works with most other brands' attachments as well. Comfort-wise, the grip is strong and reduces muscle fatigue if you're using it for a long time. And since it's corded, you also don't have to worry about batteries running out in the middle of a project, and the power cord is long enough to give you room to work without feeling too restricted. Overall, if you're looking for a value-for-money oscillating multi-tool, this one's hard to beat. Number 1 is the Makita XMT03Z multi-tool. This is the best overall option on our list. This cordless oscillating multi-tool runs on Makita's 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. It has a variable speed dial ranging from 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, so you can dial in the perfect speed for whatever job you're tackling. The 3.2-degree oscillation angle makes cutting and sanding faster and smoother, and it's built with a small-diameter barrel grip, which makes it easy to handle, even for long projects. Due to the TPE rubberized coating, it feels sturdy, and the grip is solid. Plus, it holds up well under heavy use. What I love about this multi-tool is the on-off slide switch has a lock-on button, so you don't have to keep holding it down while working, which makes things really easy if you're doing a lot of back-to-back cuts. It also comes with adapters, so you can easily use most competitive accessories without any weird fit issues. One thing to note is that it comes as a tool only, so you'll need a Makita battery if you don't already have one. But if you're already in the Makita ecosystem, this is a no-brainer. Alex says, "This might be my new favorite tool now. It's relatively light, it feels durable, good battery life, and so many attachments. It can do it all. If you come up with even one remotely justifiable reason to buy this tool, do it." Overall, if you're looking for a multi-tool that's powerful, comfortable to use, and flexible with accessories, the Makita XMT03Z is the top choice on this list. And there you have it. We hope this selection helped you choose the perfect oscillating multi-tool. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.